Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my presentation on how to make money online with free traffic, my exact method. On today's agenda, we're going to cover what business model do I use, what exact method do I use, and who taught me this method. Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I also have a special free gift for you. So, who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Jack Miller, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. A while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. But, luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So, if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Just a quick disclaimer. So I am an affiliate. That means if you buy a course from any of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below, then I will make a commission. This is at no additional cost to you, of course. But I'm still going to give my honest opinion, so I'll strive to give you a balanced and honest video so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what business model do I use? If you haven't heard of it before, it's high-ticket affiliate marketing. So it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. What are the benefits? So I like that there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. All right, so that's the business model. But what exact method do I use? So first, you're going to become an affiliate. So what I do is I register for a high-ticket affiliate program that's selling a product that is high in quality, would potentially sell well, and would also benefit my audience. Then you're going to make your funnel. So I sign up for an online service that creates a lead magnet, a landing page, and an email sequence for me. When you take all those things, when combined, this gives me a funnel, aka an enticing website that my prospects can go to get a free gift and receive daily emails advertising my affiliate products. Then you make review videos. So I find products competing against the affiliate products I'm selling and create a video review about them. I do a full rundown of the product and I give my honest opinion. At the end, I tell my audience about the free gift I'm offering and encourage them to visit my funnel. Then, prospects find my videos. So potential prospects find my videos on YouTube and watch my product review. I did not have to pay for prospects to find my videos, so this traffic is free, totally free. Then I make money. So after watching my video, my prospects go to my website, they get their free gift, and enter my email sequence. Over time, they read the emails advertising my products and buy them, meaning I make money. All right, that's great, but who taught me this method? So I had a mentor. A while back, I took a chance on a paid coaching program that taught me the video review method. This was ultimately the program that I found success in and how I make money to this very day. So I still do this. This is my business. This is literally how I make money, my exact method. And if you're interested in that program, you can learn more and purchase the program from the link in the pinned comment below. So you can find the exact paid coaching program that I entered in to start my business and find success in, and you can enter that too. It's in the link in the pinned comment below. Oh, but before you click the link, make sure to clear your cookies. So make sure to clear the cookies in your browser before clicking my link. Otherwise, it might not work properly. If you don't know how to do that, I will also have instructions in the pinned comment below as well. Okay, so that's all great, but what if you're not interested in a paid coaching program at the moment? Are there any other alternatives? And thankfully, yes, there are. So I have a free gift for you. And this free gift, it's a free online course. So you can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started. So yeah, if you're not interested in a paid coaching program at the moment, I have a free course for you. So all right, thank you so much. My name is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures. This was my presentation on how to make money online with free traffic, my exact method. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about the free gift in the pinned comment below. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks again for watching. You take care. Have a great day.